you can tell from the intro of this video and the thumbnail, I am wearing a beautiful wig from a West Kiss. So before I get into the installation, I just want to show you what I received. Is this a bonnet? I think I got a bonnet, guys. Huzzah! It's a nice one too. So inside my package, I got a wig cap, edge brush, and an elastic headband for laying down the edges. I also received some eyelashes and a satin dust bag to store my wig after I remove it. So here she is, 22 inches of this Jerry curly texture. Pepper, shush. So one thing I noticed right off the bat is that she looks like she's pre-styled and she's already pre-cut. So to show you the inside, it's your regular dome cap construction, but it has this 4 by 7 inches of parting right here. And there is one comb right here, right on the middle of your head. There are no temple combs, but there is one nape comb. No adjustable straps, but it does have this elastic band, which is more than good enough to keep it secured on your head. So the one thing that I'm noticing more and more with wig companies is that they all know. How do they know? They all know that nobody wants to be spending a lot of time doing their hair. These wear and go wigs are where it's at. You don't have to do much prep, if anything at all, other than put a wig cap on your head. And I appreciate that, because some days you just don't want to do all that. I'm going to show you how easy it is to put on your head. Apparently, this is undetectable lace. Undetectable lace. So, in preparation for this wig install, I have done absolutely nothing. Okay, this is with nothing. This is me just putting the wig on. I know that once I put some melting spray on, this little line that you see right here, that's gonna disappear. And you have about to right here that you can part before you start reaching the tracks that are sewn into the cap, but not bad for first impressions. So now that it's on, and now that I see how quick this is to install, I mean, it's install, but yeah, install, you just put it on your head. It's really good for my low skill girlies and my no skill girlies. So pre-plucked hairline, beautiful, yada yada, HD lace, undetectable, practically transparent, yada yada. What I love is this thickness. So I tried to look and see what percentage density that I got, and I'm not finding it right now, so I'm gonna make sure I put that in the description box for you. But excuse me. And it's spooky season, which is one of my favorite times of the year. So I'm gonna be a little dramatic. More dramatic than normal.
My headspace been weaker, it's been waiting for the right day. Like the right day ever comes, now it's Friday. And nothing's changed. Mistakes that everyone is making, but I can't change. I'm stuck in reverse like an old Benz. Forgot to tap it up. Now I long for another day where things fall into place. So if you're down, I'll be down. Pack your bags, fill them up. We can go tonight, take a flight to a higher ground. How does that sound? How does that sound? So strange, why it always feel like it's too late. Waiting another year and it's too late.
So now all I'm doing is I'm just going through the ends and like taking my Denman brush and just trying to get a little bit more definition. Then I'm gonna take my diffuser and dry it.
Fading in your mind, 'cause
So do you see like what defining the curls with some mousse will do and how that changed that pattern so much? Cause look at this curls now. That's why you gotta play with the wig, okay? Cause you don't know what secrets it got, girl. You gotta find out the secrets. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna mess up this curl pattern and I'm not gonna make it frizzy. I'm just gonna pull out the roots a little bit so I can get the volume that I like. Like you see how this side is all perfect and this side isn't. Gotta make them even. Sometimes you gotta break it out again, I know. But you lose your length sometimes when you use that method because you're scrunching the curls up so your hair gets shorter. So you can use this method to pull those curls down a little bit so you have some more hang time. So I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. My curls are locked in. I used the mousse. I picked at it enough. I'm trying my best not to make it frizzy. Golly, why do I love big hair so much? Stay safe out here during this holiday season. I hope you guys have a blessed one. And all the hair, shut up. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye! Oh my gosh, you guys didn't tell me I had lipstick on my face.